Hey everyone, it's your graduate assistant, EDB 701. We're still working a little bit on the probabilities right here. So let's say that you've got a normal curve. Remember, area of the normal curve equals 1. And you have a list of scores. And let's see, we got everything right here on my scores. My mean is 100, variance is 144, standard deviation is 12. Since we're working with a random sample size of 400, not a population, we had to figure out the standard error of the mean. Standard error of the mean is 0.6. We've got everything that we need right now to figure out our probabilities. So let's say it's given to you in word format that you're looking for the probability greater than 101.2. If you look at it just like we have in our last, P, let's see, looking for the probability is greater 101.2. So something like that if you convert that sentence. Probability of y is greater than 101.2. Now you've already done this. This is the z-scores, basically. So if you remember right, your z is your value minus your mean. And in this case, instead of our standard deviation, we need to use standard error, this number up here. We're using the standard error as this because we're working with a sample size and not a population. It's just a more accurate way to go. So my z right here, I'm looking at, let me draw a picture first really quick. It always helps to visualize this. If my mean is 100, I am looking for the probability of this score. There's 101.2. I need to find out that the probability of this score is greater than this. So let's see, I've got 101, 1. There you go, 101.2 minus 100 over my standard error of the mean, which is 0.6. It's incredibly important that you know when to use the standard error of the mean versus the standard deviation. Standard deviation you use on population. Standard error of the mean is when you use work with samples. So what do we got? This gives me 1.2 over 0.6, which gives me 2. If I look up the z-value of 2, I come up with 0.9772. Remember, this number, 0.9772, tells me for that, so I need to go 1 minus 0.9772, which gives me 0.0228. So that is my probability. Probability greater that my score is going to be greater than 101.2 is 0.0228.